how to contact PrizePicks support in 2 minutes. Now, if you want to contact PrizePicks support, maybe a live support or customer service, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up your browser. And here you have to simply go to prizepicks.com/help-center. So prizepicks.com/help-center. So you just have to go to this URL. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Now over here you can see live support button. Click on the live support button. And here you can see PrizePicks 24/7 live support. Click on the chat now button. And you'll be able to see a chat open up on the right hand side. You can simply send them a message and they're going to get back to you. So by default there could be a bot, but you have to ask some questions, and if the bot is not able to answer it, a live service is going to get in touch, or you can also click on the help icon here and try to find their number in that way. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically contact PrizePicks support in 2 minutes. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.